Hi, Peter.
Teacher.
What did you do today, Peter? What did you do today?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Peter? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Wait, let me. Oh, yes, you can. I see. That's good. Now, can you tell me what did you do in the morning?
I am fishing
Oh, you went fishing. With whom? Where are you now?
and I in home.
Oh, you're at home. Okay. So, were you able to catch fish? Did you catch some fish, Peter? Did you catch some fish?
No,
Oh, no, you did not. Okay. Now, Peter, we will have the practice. And in here, all you have to do is to fill in the blanks with have to or don't have to make these sentences true for you. Okay. So now let us start with the first one. And it says here, I blank read books in my English classes.
I have to read book in my English class.
What about for two?
I I do not to practice writing in my class.
Yeah, my English class. What about for three?
I I have to listen to recording in in my English class.
Four.
I I don't have to do worksheet in my English class.
What about for five?
I have to complete exercise in my English class.
And for six?
I don't have to.
You don't speak to your teacher in your
I
English class?
I have to speak to my teacher in my English class.
Okay, I see. Thank you, Peter. Now let us have exercise four dialogue. Okay, so in here, you will be Kyoko Adachi, and please understand what we're about to read, Peter, because you will be answering questions after, okay? Now let us start. When was your first English class, Kyoko?
My my first English class was about 20 years old.
Years ago. Okay, 20 years ago. Where was it?
It it was at um I was at
Was at
um
how do we read this word, Peter? Elementary. Elementary.
elementary school.
Okay, when we say elementary school, Peter, that is just the same as primary school. Okay, because I have observed that in Vietnam, you don't call it elementary, but here in the Philippines, we call it elementary school. Okay, but in Vietnam, you call it primary school. Okay, from grade 1 to 6. But I believe in yours, it's only from grade 1 to 5. Okay, now let us continue. What did you do in the class?
We did a few different activities. We did a lot of worksheets and practice reading and writing.
Did you do a lot of speaking activities? Did you do a lot of speaking practice?
No, really, no, not really. No, I spoke to my classmates a few times, but I didn't speak in front of the class.
What was your teacher like?
He was very friendly and kind, and also quite inspiring.
Inspiring. Inspiring. Did you enjoy the class?
Yes, I did. I enjoyed it it a lot.
Okay, yes. Thank you so much, Peter. Now let us have the question. When was Kyoko's first English class?
I don't know.
When was
Ah,
you you don't know?
about 20 years old.
Not 20
Years
years
ago.
old, 20 years ago. Okay, 20 years ago. When we say 20 years old, Peter, that is age. Okay. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Okay, that is age. However, we're asked here when he started or when her first English class was. Okay, so it's about 20 years ago. Now, did Kyoko have to do a lot of speaking practice in her English class?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. I see. Now, can you tell me? Um, did
We did
she have?
a few different activities.
Yes.
We did a lot of worksheet and practice reading and writing.
Okay. Well, actually, Peter, that is what she has to do in class. We are asked if she has to do a lot of speaking practice during her English class, right? Which is in here. No, the answer is no, because she spoke to her classmates just a few times, but she did not speak in front of the class. Okay, so this is the answer. She did not. Okay, now, did Kyoko enjoy her first English class?
I don't know.
You don't know too? Why? Okay, can you tell me now? Did she enjoy it?
Not really. I know spoke to my classmate a few times, but
Hmm.
I didn't speak in.
Okay, are you sure? The question is if she enjoyed her first English class. Did she enjoy her first English class? Not if she did a lot of speaking practice. It yes, I did enjoy it a lot. See, it matches the question here, Peter. Did Kyoko enjoy her first English class? Did you enjoy the class? Yes, I did. I enjoyed it a lot. Okay. Is it difficult, Peter? Is it
I
difficult?
don't hear you.
Okay. Now let us try answering exercise 5. Can you tell me your answer for one?
When 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 was your first English class?
What is your answer? Is it was, were, or are?
Um, was
Okay. When was your first English class? That is right. What about for two?
um my first English class was, was last week.
Okay, yes, that's correct. And for three,
It was um it was from high school.
is it was from high school?
Um, at high school.
Okay, so when we say from, it shows the origin of something, Peter. It shows the origin or where something comes from. Like for example, I'm from the Philippines. Okay, so which means I I am from the Philippines. I came from the Philippines. However, in here that is not suitable. So it was at high school. Okay, because we are talking about the location here, attending a place like a school or a university at. Okay, it was at high school. What about four?
What
Four.
did you do in the class?
Okay, yes. What did you do in the class? Five.
We um we listening
Is it
to
with
recording.
listening? Mm-hmm. Now, I told you before, Peter, that we can use ing if we only have is or right? Is or and So we will add the ing. However, in here, you can see that we don't have is, we don't have are, we don't have So this is not the correct answer. It we listened to recording. Okay, we listened to recording. Past tense sentence, Peter. Now let us have a six.
Um, did you practice practice? Like,
Is it A or B? Is it A, Peter,
is
or B?
B.
B?
No, is A.
Okay, yes, it is A, Peter. Remember, Peter, that if we have do, does, and did in a sentence, we will use the base form of the verb. Okay, base form without adding s or es, without adding d. Okay, so that is practice. Did you practice writing? What about seven?
What was your teacher like?
Okay, yes. What was your
Me.
teacher? Okay, what was your teacher like? And for the last one,
He was fun and is inspiring.
inspiring. Can you say it again? Inspiring.
Inspiring.
Okay, yes, that's correct. Now let us have fill in the blanks in here. You will be Jim. Okay, so let me show you the answer pool. We have writing, practice, at, was, spoke, did, and trick. Okay, now let us start. When was your first English class, Jim?
My first English class was about 5 years ago.
Mm-hmm. And where was it?
It was I don't know.
It was? Is it in, on, or at? What do you think?
It was
At?
in
Okay.
university.
Yes, it was at university. What did you do in the class?
We we did a lot of speaking. Um, I don't know.
Okay, let me show you. Okay, so here are the answer pool. Here's the answer pool, Peter. Now, can you tell me the missing word? We did lots of speaking.
Speaking practice.
Okay, yes,
Practice.
speaking practice. We
Um, we we I don't know.
we spoke.
We spoke to our part, partners. We spoke to our teacher, and we spoke in front of the class too.
Did you listen to recording?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are.
Um, yes, we did.
Okay, yes, we did. See, it starts with did. It must end with did. Okay, did you listen to recordings? Yes, we did. Did you practice writing?
No, we didn't practice um writing.
What was your teacher like?
She was a little, I don't know,
Okay, she was a little.
a little, little, I don't know.
It's strict, Peter. Do you know strict?
I don't know.
Strict. Oh, you don't know it. Let me translate it for you. Okay, so this is what it means in Vietnam when we say strict. Okay, so it is a person who always want to be followed. Like for example, if he is or she is demanding something, it should always be followed, or else there will be consequences, or you will be punished. Okay, that is strict. Now let us have ordering. Okay, put the words into the correct order. Can you tell me the answer for one?
Um, when was your first English?
When was your first English?
Ah, when was your first English class?
That's right. What about for two?
It was online.
Mm-hmm. Three.
Worksheet. Ah, we we did a lot of worksheets.
Yes, that is for 4. Peter, what about for 3? What about for
Um,
3?
what did you do in the class?
Okay, yes, that's correct. 5.
What was your like teacher?
Is it? What was your like teacher? What was your teacher like? Okay, you have to tell me your teacher's personality. Is he kind? Is he strict? Okay. What was your teacher like? What about for 6?
Did did you enjoy it?
Very good. 7.
She was she was fun and inspiring.
Very good. Last one.
Um, I didn't enjoy at all.
Okay, yes, I didn't enjoy it at all. Okay, that is the answer there. Now, let us have exercise 8. Peter, it's your turn to ask me these questions.
Um, when was your first English class?
My first English class was about 16 years ago.
Where was it?
It was in a primary school.
What did you do in the class?
Well, we read stories, memorized poems, and spoke in front of the class.
What was your teacher like?
My teacher was very strict.
Did you enjoy the class?
I guess I did, Peter. Now let us have exercise 9. Your turn to use the language you have learned to talk about these questions. When was your first English class?
Um, it was uh 4 years ago.
Oh, 4 years ago. I see. Where was it?
I don't know.
Where was it? In a primary school, Peter? In a primary school?
I don't know.
Oh. Where did you have your first English class? I believe at school, right?
Um,
Was it at
yes.
school? Okay. What did you do in class? What did you do in your English class, Peter?
I learn English.
Okay. Yes. How do you learn English? Do you read the stories? Um, do you do, did you speak in front of the class? What did you do?
I I learning all.
Oh, you're learning it all. Okay. So what was your teacher like?
Um,
Can you describe your teacher?
I don't know.
Why? What can you say about your teacher?
Ah, is uh she has uh uh I don't know.
What can you say about her? Is she kind? Is she strict? Is she demanding?
She's kind.
Okay, she is
And
kind. Okay, now did you enjoy the class? Did you enjoy the class, Peter?
no.
No, you did not. Okay, so Do you like learning English, Peter?
Normal.
Oh, just normal. Okay, I see. Thank you so much for being honest, Peter. Okay, so I hope you find a place for English in your heart. Okay, so now I believe that's all that for our class today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next meeting. Peter, goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.